new informative video for my viewers. So that is about to the who is the richest person in the world. I seem some knows about the who is the richest person in the world and some don't know about the who is the richest person in the world. So I am here with a new informative video for my viewers. So let's start. This is about to the who is the richest person in the world. So first name is the Elon Musk. Elon Musk is the co-founder of the Tesla and SpaceX. Tesla is known for the electricity vehicle, electricity car, and SpaceX. He is producing the reusable rocket for the SpaceX journey. So he is known for that, both the company, but before that he is also founded the PayPal company. PayPal company is known for the international exchange money. If people are using to transfer the money to international to Indian country, so that is why PayPal is using before that. And second name is the Larry Ellison. Larry Ellison is the co-founder of the Oracle company. He started with the little bit, but now it's a big company to database about this corporation is known for the database and software company. So this company is known for software and database company. Third one is the Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos is known for the co-founder of the Amazon company. Amazon company he started for the book selling online, but now it's a big e-commerce platform. So millions of people are using that platform for shopping purpose. And fourth one is the Larry Page. Larry Page company. Larry Page is the founder of the Google. So everyone knows about the Google. Who is the founder of the Google? Larry Page. Larry Page is studying in Stanford University. Then he created the Google Page along with the Sergey Brin. Sergey Brin also the fifth number of the billionaire person. So he is also known. He is the founder of the Alphabet company, but Google company is the parental company of the Alphabet company is the parental company of the Google. Both are the billionaires. Now I came with the sixth person of the richest person. Sixth person is the Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg. I think I already said to Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, so it's the name of the Bernard Arnault. Bernard Arnault is the founder of the LVMH company. He is known for the fashion brand. His company is for the branding for fashion industry, and now he is such kind of brand Fendi, Vuitton, and he is the wealthiest influencer in the world businessman. He is the wealthiest person in the world. Hong is known for is the founder of the Jensen Huang is the founder of the NVIDIA company. NVIDIA is the company is for the computer chip that company is making computer chip. It's called GPUs. But this company is using this chip is using for the gaming purpose. Now it's become a artificial intelligence and data centers. And ninth number is the Steve Ballmer. Steve Ballmer is known for the Microsoft company. He is the founder of the Microsoft company. This company during this company he was working, so that time he founded the Windows X, Windows 7, XP and Xbox. So this company is, after leaving this company, he bought Los Angeles Clipper and NBA basketball team. So no, he is the billionaire person. And last one is the, so guess please, who will guess? Last person is the Warren Buffett. He known for the investment purpose. He is the big investor and chairman of the Hathway company. His story is known for not by his luck become a billionaire. He known for the good investor, and his discipline and patience capacity. That is why he is the billionaire person. He is the good investor. If anyone want to learn how to investment, how to do the market investment, so people are suggesting Warren Buffett books. So if you like this type of video, so please like and subscribe my video. So I will come with the new informative video for my viewers. Some are from the biography of the individual richest person in the world. So thank you so much for watching my video.